Hi everyone, this is Professor Eskew. Welcome to Business 119 Business Communication. In this short video, I just want to go over the different course home menu options that you'll be using in this course. I'm not going to go into any detail because you'll get other videos that'll give you details on different projects or assignments as we go through it. Okay, so let's get started. The first one would be Syllabus. So over here on the left-hand side is your course menu. If you click Syllabus, notice it comes up, it brings two files, a Word file, a PDF file. Click either one of your choice, and that will give you the syllabus and the tentative schedule. I strongly suggest that you read it, and if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. There will be a video conference, a Zoom conference on January 2nd at 6 p.m. and I'll go over the syllabus in detail then. Okay? Otherwise, please read it, and if you choose to download it, that's fine. It's up to you. And email me with any questions. The next one, if you do need to get a hold of me, click Faculty, click My Contact Information, and there's my information. So basically all you're going to get is my email address because I am not on campus during intersession. I'm here at home. But if you need to get a hold of me and we need to have a conference, we can do a Zoom teleconference. And you can either do that from your smartphone, your PC, your laptop, any device that you have like that. You don't have to have a camera, but if you do have a camera, then we can see each other as we're talking, but it's not required. If you need a conference, just email me and we will set a date that is convenient for both of us. Okay? The next one is announcements. So the announcements, there's one right there, welcoming you to class. You want to check the announcements 3 to 4 times a week because we're only having a 4-week class. There will be a lot of communication, and it's easiest for me to do that communication through announcements so that I can hit everybody with the information. Okay, so just go out, click announcements, and they come up in chronological order, and that's where you'll see some additional videos, how-to videos, how to submit projects, those types of things. All that information will be out there in announcements for you. The next thing is we do use a publisher, Pearson to be exact, their learning management system, LMS. So if you click the student registration, this will come up, and this is a PDF on how to register in My BCom Lab. So if you click on this, this will give you the information. There's how to register, how to come back in later. And then if you choose to use the 2-week free trial and then switch it over once you get your access code, here's the information on how to do that there. So you will want to come in and you'll want to register as soon as possible because you have 4 chapters your first week. So you have homework and dynamic study modules and quizzes for each of those chapters. You just click this link, you'll go in, you register. The great thing with Pearson is Pearson gives you a 2-week free trial. So if you're not able to buy or purchase the access code immediately, you can still start doing your work for the first 2 weeks free. Please know though, once you register, that 2-week clock starts, okay? So be mindful and be strategic. And so when you register, make sure you're prepared to start doing some of your work. Make sense? Okay. The next thing is learning modules. So all learning modules is even though I'm going to give you this information and the announcements every week, if for some reason you come out and still not sure, right here is each week all of the assignments and when they are due. Okay? So you will know it's another roadmap for you or another tool for you to use to keep everything straight. You will have a project in this class, so click Project, click Preparation for Employment Project. Here is the project. There's 7 parts to the project. We will go over these in detail later. There's also folders that have examples on how to construct the different components. And then here is where you will submit your project, and I will go over that in detail in another video as well. Okay, so that's your project. You will also have one discussion board. So your discussion board will actually start this week 1. Let me get me out of the way. And so the discussion board is introduction. So there is instructions on how to do this, but you just come in, you'll make your introduction this first week. The second week you'll come back in and you'll respond to your at least 3 of your classmates posts. This is just for you guys to get to know each other and get to know me as well. Okay, so that is your discussion board. I'm going to put myself back up there. And so the next thing is a tool for you. It's called NetTutor. A NetTutor is free for you. If you click on this link here, it is a virtual tutor. So if you have writing assignments or if you are doing some things on your project and you want someone to have a set of eyes to make sure that your grammar, your structure, all of that information is okay, NetTutor will do that. It is free. It's 24/7. You can submit a document to them, and you have to give them 24 hours. But they will look at it, review it, and give you comments and send it back to you. You can use NetTutor for this course, or if you're taking another course, you can also use it for that courses too. I just make this tool available for everybody. The last one is My Grades. I'm not going to click it because there won't be anything since I'm the instructor, but the My Grades I will keep every week. I will update all of the assignments and the scores, transferring them from my BCom lab over, so you'll be able to keep track. Okay, that is your tour. I hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out to me. We're going to have a great time in this course. You're going to keep you busy, so let me know if you have any questions. Hope to see you soon. Take care.